Hey, what's going on, you guys? All right, welcome back to the Turo Hustle. Welcome back to the channel. All right, if you've watched a few of my videos before, you've probably heard me talk about systems, right? You've definitely heard me talk about building systems in your Turo business, right? You got cleaning systems, messaging systems, processes for handling trips, like things like that, right? And the reason I bring this up so often is because this is one of the biggest differences between someone who's, managing maybe one car on Turo and someone who's managing, 5, 10, or 20 cars or more, right? Without systems, your Turo business, it eventually starts running you. You're consistently answering messages, cleaning cars, trying to remember what needs to be done, right? And it starts to feel like a full-time job. But when you build good systems, right, everything becomes so much easier, more organized, and way more scalable, right? So in this video, I really want to explain what systems actually are and why they matter so much. And just give you guys a few examples of these systems that can make running Turo and your Turo business way easier. Because once you understand this concept, right, it's going to completely change your mentality on the way that you run your Turo business, guys, all right? So first, let's go ahead and talk about what a system actually is, right? A system is basically a repeatable process that you follow the exact same way every time, right? Instead of figuring things out from scratch every time when something happens, you already know exactly what steps to take. Right? Think of it as a checklist. When something happens in your business, the system tells you exactly what to do next time, right? The goal of that system is to remove things like guesswork, remove things like decision making, remove wasted time. Because the more decisions you have to make throughout the day, the slower and more stressful things become. Right? But when you have your systems in place that you fine-tuned, you don't have to think about those decisions anymore, right? You're just following a process and you're just locking in. And when you start stacking multiple systems together, right, in your business, everything just starts running so much more smooth. So why do systems matter on Turo, right? When most people start out on Turo, they usually got one car and they don't really think about systems yet. They're just kind of winging it. And a trip ends and they clean the car however they feel like it that day. The guest sends a message and they just kind of respond whenever they see it. Somebody books that car and they're manually sending instructions. And honestly, hey, that works fine if you've only got one or maybe two cars on the platform, right? But things really start to change when you start treating Turo like a business and it starts to grow a little bit. Right now, maybe you have multiple bookings per week. Now you're trying to remember things like, hey, did I message that guest? Did I check the car for damage? Did I take those post-trip photos? Did I check the fuel level? Did I clean under the seat? Do I know the mileage? How's the oil doing? Right? And you've got multiple cars going out every week. Suddenly, you're starting to juggle all these little tasks in your head. And that's when running your Turo business really starts to feel stressful, right? Not because it's actually that complicated, because it's not, but because everything is just so disorganized because you do not have systems. And that's exactly where these systems start to make a massive difference. All right, so let me go ahead and give you guys an example on this, right? The first system I think you guys should make is a cleaning system. Build a cleaning system because you can save a ton of time in this area, right? Now, instead of cleaning a car randomly, like we just talked about every time, you want to follow the exact same steps in the same order, every time. For example, right? Every time a car returns from a trip, let's just say something like, first you're going to walk around the car and you're going to check for damage. Second, you're going to post trip photos, right? You're going to take those. Third, you want to remove any trash and personal items out of the car. Maybe fourth, you're going to vacuum the interior. Fifth, you're going to wipe down the high touched areas like the steering wheel, the door, the handles, right? The dashboard. Sixth, you're going to check the tire pressure, and the fuel level. Seventh, you're going to reset the trip mileage. Now here's why this matters, right? That's just a little system. When you follow this same exact process every time, the work becomes automatic. You're not stopping to think about, man, what should I do next? Or dang it, I should have done this, right? You're just moving through that system. And something else interesting happens when you do this, right? The process becomes way faster, right, over time, because the reputation creates efficiency. And this is where a lot of the tools that we buy really help us out, right? When I'm in the garage cleaning, I've got a retractable extension cord right here at my fingertips. Man, instead of rolling that up every time and taking 5 minutes, bam, it's up and it's gone. And now it's the same thing. We got vacuums set out in the correct place. You want to build these systems not only in steps that you can remember, but efficiently, and have things staged in the correct place so you're really saving as much time as you can. So let's go ahead and talk about another really powerful system as an example, right? We're going to talk about guest messaging templates, right? They're automated. If you're a host on Turo, you probably already know guests tend to ask the same questions over and over and over again. Hey, where's the car located? How does pickup work? Where do I return the car? What type of fuel does the car take, right? All these questions are pretty common. And if you're manually answering those questions every single time, you can start eating up a lot of your time right away. Instead, you want to build these pre-written messages with templates that automatically go out at certain times. So when someone books your car, right, bam, right away, an automated message is sent out saying something along the lines of, hey, thanks for booking the car, right? The car will be located at this address. Pickup is contactless. The keys will be inside the lockbox. Please upload, your license and selfie before the trip starts. Right now, instead of spending 5 minutes typing that out every time, or sending a copy and pasting, or sending a different message to everyone, this takes zero time. And when you multiply that out by dozens and dozens of trips per month, you guys are saving hours and hours, right? And like I said, these messages that you're setting up in Turo, they're automated. So you can send them, as soon as somebody books your trip, you have that set to go out. And maybe 3/4 of the way through the trip, you have another message set up, telling people the return instructions. You can structure it however you want because there's templates, and you can send them out at specific times. So you don't have to sit there looking at your phone the whole time, or if you go camping with the friends or family and you lose service, you're not worried about what's going to happen and what's getting sent to your guest. Hey, here's something most people don't realize, right? The reason a lot of people struggle on Turo to grow their business, it's not because they don't have enough cars. Even if it's 1 or 2 cars, it's because they don't have the systems in place that they should, right? They keep everything in their head. They respond to problems randomly. They handle trips differently every time. And like we talked about, that might work for a little while. But eventually, hey, these things are going to start slipping through the cracks. And you're going to forget something, right? You're going to rush through a cleaning. You're going to miss a mileage. And that's when that stress really starts to build up, right? But when you build systems, everything becomes predictable, everything slows down, and everything smooths out. Right now, you know exactly how these trips are handled. You know exactly what happens when your car returns. You know exactly how to communicate with guests and how that communication works. That structure, is what allows you to handle more cars without adding more chaos to your life. Hey, so if you guys are out there starting a Turo business, right, my biggest advice would be this. Don't just focus on getting more cars. Focus on building better systems, because once your systems are solid, adding more cars becomes so much easier, right? Your business becomes smoother. Your guests get more consistent experiences, and running everything becomes far less stressful. And honestly, this is one of those things that most hosts are going to completely overlook, right? Probably just because they're lazy. But the hosts who build good, solid systems are usually the ones who scale the fastest. And if you guys found this helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.